Welcome to DAV Mall Public School e-learning classes, Standard 6, Subject Science. Topic Magnet. This is a revision video. In this video, we will do revision of chapter Magnet. Interaction between magnets. When a bar magnet is suspended freely, its two poles or points towards the geographical north and south pole. The pole of the bar magnet, which points towards the geographical north, is called its north or north seeking pole. The other, which point towards the geographical south, is called its south or south seeking pole. Magnet always lie in north-south direction. The bar magnet rotates and its in turns to again point in the same direction. We can say that the freely suspended bar magnet always points in one particular direction, that is north-south direction. The end of the magnet, which always seeks the geographical north, is the north pole of the bar magnet, and the other end, which always seeks the geographical south, is the south pole of the bar magnet. Interaction, attraction or repulsion between magnets. If we place a bar magnet near one end of the other bar magnet at the position end of the table, then both the magnet remained stationary. At large distance, the force that they extend on each other is almost zero. If we move one of the bar magnet towards the other bar magnet in such a way as to make their unlike poles face each other, the magnet are seen to experience a pull towards each other. Thus, two magnets kept close by with their unlike poles facing each other are seen to attract each other. Now reverse the two ends of one of the bar magnet. So the like poles of the two magnets are facing each other. The two magnets are seen to move away from each other. Thus two magnets kept close by with their like poles facing each other are seen to repel each other. What happens if we bring two bar magnets together? If a north pole and a south pole are brought together, they will attract and the magnet are pulled together. If the two north poles or two south poles, that is like poles, are brought together, they repel and the magnet push each other apart. Thus we can say that like poles attract, unlike poles attract, and like poles repel. Properties of bar magnet. The magnets are made up of magnetic substance. Magnets have certain important properties like attractive property, repulsive property, directive property, etc. Attractive property. The magnet attract ferromagnetic materials like iron, cobalt, and nickel. It is also capable of attracting small pieces of iron, steel, etc. Repulsive properties. Like magnetic poles repel each other and unlike magnetic poles attract each other. Directive property. A freely suspended magnet always points in a north-south direction, or we can say that it is all along the geographical north and south direction. Magnet has two magnetic poles. Even if we break a magnet, each of its two pieces still has two magnetic poles. Like poles of two magnets repel each other, and while unlike poles attract each other. Magnetic poles of the Earth. Earth has two geographical poles, north and south poles. They are the Arctic, south pole of the magnetic Earth, and Antarctic, that is north pole of the Earth's magnet. Earth's magnetic pole are near but not exactly in the same place as the geographical pole. The magnetic compass aligns itself towards the magnetic north pole of the earth. Likewise, the pole near the geographical south pole is regarded as north magnetic pole of the earth's magnet. Finding direction by using magnet. When a bar magnet is suspended freely by a thread, it aligns itself to the direction of north, and travelers have used this property of magnet for ages to find direction. A compass is a device with a magnetized needle pivoted inside a box covered by glass, which points to the north and is useful tool for finding direction. Making a magnet. The magnetic material can be made into a magnet by rubbing a magnet on the surface of the magnetic material. This creates an influence where the particles inside the material ally themselves like the poles of a magnet. Or we can make a weak magnet by freely suspending an iron rod in the north south direction and gently hammering it repeatedly at one end. We can also make a magnet by moving a bar magnet along the length of an iron rod a large number of times, always in the same sense. When we place an iron rod or steel needle near a bar magnet for some time, the rod or needle is observed to acquire some magnetism. Loss of magnetic property. The magnetic property of magnet is lost on heating, hammering or hitting, or dropping. Thank you.